Okay, we're at June Lake, and we stopped over here to do a little bit of fishing October 2013, and we got ourselves a boat. See what we can do. Trolling with some lures right now. Snow. Got snow all around us. Got some colors. Okay, we didn't get skunked anyway.
Get out. Look at this, getting his head out there.
Yeah, it looks like that's what he's doing. We had another one on, we lost it. We switched over to these bigger spinners with worms. Dave Davis, yeah, with the worms. Seemed to hit that pretty good. Okay, we decided to come in and get some lunch. And here's the marina. Give you a better view of it. And Donna has a surprise here. We got a couple of fish. Well, you saw one coming in, and we got a bigger one. And we'll see if we can get some more later. Nice job, Donna. Let's got a fish.